Hello everyone, welcome to dingpongcrate, and today's video is going to be how to protect your front door like armed tank. In today's world, there's too many crazy things going around, and we as a homeowner, it's our duty to protect our house from outside intruder who just likes to go kick or using this to break in this front door. So I have this entry, it's called security latch strike, and I got this from Amazon, and I will leave the link right below for it. And let me show you the plate, what it looks like, the strike plate. It is one solid piece with a deadbolt place and a doorknob place for it, with the multiple screws holes for it. Because it is one solid piece, it gives it extra security that you would need for you as a homeowner, and it's very, very thick for it. So why don't we go ahead and do this project right here, right now. When I opened the package, this came with a kick strike plate, and as well as the package of let's see, 9 screws, and these screws from here to here it's about 2.5 to 3 inches of long screws for it, which is bonus for extra security. And then the tools you would need for the job is obviously you need a drill for it, and a hammer, and little chisel, and a flat screwdriver. So let's go ahead and dig right into that. All right, come over to this section right over here. And so here is the plate for the deadbolt, and here's a plate for the knob. And let me show you that when it comes to security. Let me go ahead and unscrew this. This screw is really, really small. And so because it's so small, that anybody who kicks the front door, this will eventually break up and break the front door, and they can just enter to your house. So because of that, the security-wise not too safe. But when you buy a kick plate, it comes with the screws of 9, and you have 6 of them, or it's about this long, and it's about 3 inches. This screw right here will go right into the house frame. So when you have a house frame, it just gives it extra strength of the security for that. So why don't we go ahead and take this one out and take this one out. And by placing this new plate right here, we do need to modify it. Because this plate is a little bit longer and longer here, and because the thickness is a little bit heavy, I have to go this much thickness, but this much thickness right here on this door trimming wall right here, and chisel that out, and then when we chisel it out, we can just go ahead and install this. But the hole here and here, you do not have to change or alter or do anything about it. So everything's good. So it's gonna be really simple, and I can do it, and you guys can do it. And thanks for watching my channel, and please subscribe my channel if you can, and leave comments and likes. It will help my channel so much. So let's get in and do this part to take it out. All right, guys, I just took out the plate from here and here, and I'm going to place this new one I got from Amazon and place right here inside, and go ahead and insert this, and figuring out where to put it. So I'm going to put it right here, and I did test it earlier, and putting this plate on, and I closed the door, and the insert went in this one and this one just perfectly. So at this point, I am just going to go ahead and draw a little line up here, so I can go ahead and chisel that part, and do same thing here. So I draw a line where the new plate is going to be from here to here. So I'm going ahead and using this flat part right here, and then just kind of tap it like this. Not too much, just enough to make a little line. And I'm going to go ahead and do fast forward. Alright guys, so I went and chiseled all this area right here, so it's nice and flush. So when I put the plate back on, look at that. It says I'm very nice on that. So according to the recommendation on the package, it says for the shorter screw, put this in the front, and then longer screws right here in the back of the plate right here. What it says on the instruction. So that's what we're gonna do. So if you are drilling a new hole for new area, you don't want the wood to have like a splint and stuff. So what you want to do is you start out with the center hole like this, like so, and you want to go reverse a little bit. So kind of give like a pilot hole, and then go the other direction and start drilling it. Just like that. So I'm gonna do that to every hole, just like that. Go backwards a little bit and then drill in the front, from preventing from the wood doing the splint for that. And so, let me go ahead and do this one, bottom part. And then I'm just going to do a little reverse. Oops, reverse. And then go other direction to drill. Great. Alright guys, come look at this kick plate right here. It's finally been installed, one solid piece. It's very good looking. So because of one solid piece, it's gonna give an extra feature for the kick proof over here. So let's go ahead and close the door to see how it looks. And it shuts firmly. You can be able to lock it. Look at that, it looks very nice. I do want to mention the one thing that the kick plate, or this strike plate, I tried to find it in Lowe's and Home Depot and I couldn't find it. So I had to buy it from the Amazon. Speaking of Amazon, because this video is armor tank kind of video for it, that I was gonna get the extra reinforcement because latches here, goes lock in and then undo. But my wife didn't want that. And so because I'm not installing this, but you as a homeowner, you can get that for the extra one for being armor tank like proof for security reason wise. You know, so please subscribe to my channel and subscribe and do a thumb like. Would help me a lot in my channel, and see you next video. Thanks.
Hello, welcome to dingpongcrate. Here today we are gonna talk about this front door, how to protect it. So I just got this entry front, I forgot the name, whatever. We're gonna show you how to do it. So to protect from burglary and robber, all that, whatever.